Hello all, welcome and welcome back again to our channel All Things With Us, and welcome back again for another amazing video. So in today's video we are going to be transforming this old bed and the side tables. As you can see, we are going to be transforming them into a modern design. This is just an idea on how you can do your bed transformation. So let's start this video. So the first thing that I normally do is take the measurement of the bed and know how I'm going to be modifying it. So for this one, I started by adjusting the height of the headboard into a standard height. So I had to make that adjustment layer. As you can see, that one on top, I normally use 2x1 pieces of wood and 2.5 or 3-inch nails for that one. And then after raising the headboard, I use 3mm plywood just to level out all the whole headboard. As you can see now, it's a whole thing, and draw the pattern that I'm going to be doing, do the calculations, and then start transforming the bed. Anyway, if this is the kind of content that you do like watching, kindly subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever we upload new videos like this and more. And if this is your first time clicking on our videos, feel free to subscribe to our channel. You can also hit the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever we upload new videos like this and more. You can also visit our channel All Things With Us here on YouTube. The same channel, you can visit it, see or watch more of our content, because we normally upload a variety of videos: transformation videos, makeover videos, and DIYs videos. Yeah, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back, watching our videos, liking them, and commenting on them. I really do appreciate your continued support. So the design for this bed today was a tufted. It was a tufted headboard, and then the rest of the bed was going to be plain, and you are just going to be seeing the whole steps. I normally use this big needle and the buttons there that you see to do the tufting. If you want to know more about this, I normally post other videos on the whole process on how to do the transformation, but for this one I'm just giving you an idea on what you can do to your old bed. These are just ideas. The other thing that we had to do was also transforming the side tables to match with the bed using the same fabric. So here we were just covering the side tables using the same fabric so that it can match with the bed. Anyway, don't forget to like the video, comment on it, share with your friends and family, and I will see you in my next videos.
Rage on that beat, gon' crave.